facing the police every single day.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm at State Attorney, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Hey, I made a records request for an illegal investigation that Charlotte County Sheriff did on me, and they gave to you guys. I asked for all documents. I paid for, I think it was 120 documents, and I only got 67.
Oh. Let me see what's back here. What's your name?
Andrew Sheets, Copwatch. Are the stand-up decks really better?
I like them because I'm not a sit down.
Got it.
What was your name again?
Andrew Sheets, Charlotte County Copwatch.
Okay, I have Andrew Sheets in our lobby saying that he made a public records request and it was supposed to be over 100 pages and he only got 67. You know what I'm talking about? Okay. Okay, thanks. Bye. Go ahead and have a seat.
All right.
We'll be down in a second.
Okay, can I ask one more question? I actually came over here too because we're, I don't know, I think I dealt with her. I was here like a month ago or something like that. Lee, I'm the reason why you finally got signs out where you can record, where you can't, okay? But we're still trying to get the judge's order of the court building, you know, stating, you know, where you can, where you can't, and that you will be contempt of court if you violate it. And I was going
Talk to who's ever coming down to see you.
What's
I'm
that?
not aware of that.
Okay.
She's on the phone.
Okay, got it. Sorry.
Mr. Sheets?
Yes.
How you doing, sir?
Bad.
I guess you were looking for some reports that weren't included in your request for public information?
That is correct. The illegal investigation they did on me, I paid for like 120, 130 pages. I only got 67.
Okay.
And a lot of, you might have heard I'm a reporter for Copwatch. I actually have cops helping me because they're sick of the corruption. They pointed out the fact there wasn't even the affidavits in there.
I don't know anything about that.
Right.
All I know is that the stuff that we did not provide are DCF records, and those are exempt from public records.
I still get them redacted. And actually some DCF was in there. How can the affidavits not be in there?
I don't know, sir. I'm not privy to that information. Like, I don't know what case you're talking about or anything.
Right, all right. But yeah, so the DCF, you can redact it and I can get
We're
it.
not responsible for redacting DCF. That would be DCF's. It's their policies that they
right.
follow for redaction. You understand?
So you're telling me 60 pages are DCF?
That's what I'm being told, sir.
I think they're lying to you. Okay, why weren't the affidavits in there?
Again, I don't know. Again, I don't know because I'm not privy to that information.
Right.
I don't know about anything about what
Okay.
it is.
All right. Okay. If I believe also too, there's 11 people up in Charlotte County that have on the ESST team for electronic surveillance for the cell phone stingray. I believe they even abused the stingray on me. Will those documents be in there? Pen test register, etc.
That I don't know, sir.
All right. So I literally have to go to court to get the rest of the stuff. Is that what you're hinting?
I don't know what the remedy would be. All I know is that we have provided, I guess, this is what the message being relayed to me is
right.
that we have provided everything that we are allowed to provide you that
right.
we have.
Right.
DCF records being excluded because those are exempt from public records.
Right.
And we don't redact their records.
Okay, then guess what? Then I was overcharged. Since she did not even touch those documents, she did not change the amount that she charged me, which is fraud. So do you have an internal investigations for the state attorney? I mean, do I turn her into the state attorney or just turn her into the cops because she stole my money?
Who is she?
Okay, the records person.
From here?
Okay, yes. Okay.
So you have to bear with me. I don't know who you
No, I know.
Anything,
So the records person, they charged me for 130 documents. I only got 67. Okay, they didn't change the price. Okay, do you understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
Okay, so guess what? She didn't redact 50% of the stuff and didn't lower the price. So that's theft, that's fraud. That's stealing my money.
Where's the receipt that shows what they charged you and everything?
I got an email. They did not lower the price.
Okay.
So who do I turn her into the cops for theft?
Why don't you ask her if there is if it should be?
She's not responding. She doesn't like when you ask real questions. So do you have, like I said again, do I turn into a cops or do you have an internal affairs for a state attorney?
Well, we do have internal affairs. I don't know why you would turn it over for fraud if it was a mistake that was made.
Oh, it's not a mistake. We're finding out what your records lady is doing here is so illegal. It's not even funny. She keeps charging for stuff that somebody else already paid for, which is illegal. So there's multiple things going on with the records department here that are not right and proper under sunshine law.
Okay.
So it's not just that. So okay, is internal affairs in here?
Well, you have to like write a letter of a complaint letter.
You know what's okay? Guess what? Actually, okay. So what's your name? We didn't ask yet.
My name?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm Sean Hoover.
Okay, my name is Andy, reporter for Charlotte County Copwatch. Illegally investigated because I bust cops, so they didn't like it, so they illegally investigated me. Okay, that's fine. So I'm just telling you. Okay. So anyways, so yeah, she has multiple incidences that we're being aware of that she's she's charging money she should not be.
Okay.
So is internal okay? Oh, that's what I'm sorry. I messed up. I messed up. I have, and I've got no response for weeks.
Yes, take it to FDLE and see if FDLE would do an investigation.
Oh my God, no kidding, your internal affairs, can I meet an internal affairs person here?
Okay, so let me ask you this, if the letters that you wrote
yes.
are getting you anywhere because you're sending them to our office, then if that's the case and you feel that we're slighting you or not responding
yes,
to you, then
why
not go
I do.
to an external organization?
Why not, why can I meet your internal affairs? Are they here?
To make an appointment?
Are they here?
Well,
no.
they're not just going to come down if they're in the middle of something, so we have to make an appointment to see.
Right, so I can ask right now to see if they're available.
They're not going to come meet with you right now. Okay, so we have jobs and tasks that we do.
That is true.
And just when somebody shows up out of nowhere without
right.
an appointment, they're not going to stop
right.
everything that they're doing.
Correct. No, I know. That's fair.
I highly suggest that if you want to speak to somebody about actually filing a legit complaint, as far as like.
Actually, do they got complaint forms here?
It's not, we don't have a form. You just write a letter.
No, you should have a form. Seriously, that's what the cops and the sheriff does.
Okay, we're not cops and the sheriff, though. We're the state
Kind
office.
of. So, yeah, you should have a form here.
Okay.
Absolutely. Why are you guys like? Do you guys have any kind of accreditation like the cops and the sheriff?
We don't.
You don't do anything. You do what you want. Yeah, that's kind of sad. How do I? Okay, since you're here, how do I get a case reopened on James White, Charlotte County Sheriff, busted for deputy, busted for a whole freaking liter of date rape drug? The state attorney, this corrupt bastard right there, dropped the case, and he's guilty. How do we get her to reopen the case? Amira Fox.
You'd have to ask for an investigation to be done.
We've tried multiple times. Email, phone. Can I ask you? Why? What do you do?
Well, I am an investigator, but you can't ask me to do an investigation.
Can I ask you?
Work here,
right.
And I don't have to like respond to what you asked me to do as
Correct.
far as opening investigation.
Correct. Well, okay, just reopen. Because, like I said, because that guy, what's his name, Russell?
Mr. Russell.
Yeah, Mr. Russell used to work here. His buddies with Charlotte County Sheriff Bill PRUMMELL.
Okay.
And do you know how dangerous 1 liter of date rape drug is?
I'm sure it's pretty dangerous.
It's freaking stupid. 1 milliliter. So this guy can like freaking rape people for years with that bottle, okay? And you guys dropped it. How is that possible?
I don't know, sir. I don't know the facts of that case either.
Okay, what do you know? So what you do know today is that I can file an internal affairs complaint through email.
You could. Oh, I don't know about email. You could try it, I guess.
Yeah, I have tried. That's useless.
Okay.
Okay. Can you ask Amira Fox to make a form like everybody else has got?
I'm going to ask my boss to do something like that, sir.
Can I ask her to ask Amira Fox?
No, they're not going to do that. Like I said, if all of this stuff
Right.
that you've done
Right.
through our office
I'm serious.
has not been answered,
It's not being
then
answered.
why not go to an external agency like
Because FDLE is useless too. I've been there too multiple times. Go to my channel. Okay, who's after FDLE?
Well, then I would go to like the office of the governor, statewide prosecutor.
Okay, I'm gonna write it. State. Who is it?
Statewide prosecutor.
State. That's what they're called. Statewide prosecutor. I've done all of it. It's all on my channel, on my Facebook, everything.
Okay.
All right, state. Why? Where? Who is that? By the way.
Well, it's not just one person. It's several offices throughout the state. They do different complex investigations.
Wow, I did not know. Okay, statewide prosecutor. Who else? Who else?
I mean, take your pick if you want to work your way up through the governor's office.
Okay, governor. Well, actually, I don't know if you've seen, DeSantis is kind of kicking butt. And then what about, can I make a complaint with, who's the new, who took over Pam Bondi? Does she have anything to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. That's a couple, better than nothing. But yeah, I think it should be like the cops and the sheriff. If you have a complaint, you got a form, I get the form, I can fill it out. Or is it on your website?
You can check, certainly. So
Right.
I don't know. I don't go to our website to look for
Right,
forms.
no, I
You
know.
understand?
But you know that not everybody's happy with stuff that goes on here, right?
Not everybody's happy with a lot of places.
That exact-
Not everybody's happy with McDonald's. Not everybody's happy
I know.
with Chick-fil-A.
Exactly.
So-
Yeah, a lot of people aren't being happy with being held accountable. That's true. So, all right, so this was useless. All right, great. Awesome.
Good luck, sir.
Yep. Hey, Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County Copwatch. I am using any video here with under fair use if you have criticism, reporting, teaching, etc. And please donate. I do not make money from YouTube, and there are different ways to donate in the video links. Thanks.